Good morning and welcome to my Plan With Me video for Monday, November 19th through Sunday, November 25th. And for this week, I will be using this kit 1194 A, B, C, and D. So sticker sheet A and B are both of those size sheets are 6 by 8, so you get lots of stickers. And on the A is what I call the washi icon sheet. And on this sheet, you get a weekend banner. You get 2 flags for the corners, you get some icons, some asterisks, some teardrops. You have a quotes box, and then you have 2 3/4-inch washies, 2 1/2-inch washies, and 4 1/4-inch washies. And each of these 4 washi strips, the 3/4 and 1/2-inch, are cut to fit exactly the hourly and the vertical EC planners. Now each of the washi strips are easily torn. I normally just use a Erin Condren ruler, a credit card would work, or debit card, anything like of that nature would work. They're easily torn, so you can customize it to make it fit your planner as well. And on kit or sticker sheet B, the full boxes, all the boxes are 1.5-inch wide. The full boxes are 1.875 inches high, and then you have half boxes and the 1/4-inch boxes, and the 1/4-inch boxes are exactly 1/4 inch. And then you have some circle dots to make your own checklists, which I will show you. And then I have several different headers here that you can use to put into the header boxes, or you can also write your own headers in there. The date strip, again, there's 2 strips, so they fit directly over each side of the hourly or vertical planner. And then also our date circles. And then I chose in this little cute deco to go with this kit for this week. All right, so I'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the date strips. Get the shorter one, and I'm going to place it just slightly above the 6 o'clock, well, 6.5 or 6:30 box. So just slightly above there. And again on this side, and again just slightly above the dotted line for 6:30, or if you're in the new ECLPs, they're solid. Actually, I guess on the hours they're solid. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the dates circles and get those off. And I've talked about it several times and haven't yet, so I'm going to see how, if I use a set of tweezers, I can, if I can bend it just a little bit, then I'll stick up some. That does work. That is much easier, actually. Can't believe I finally remembered. Okay, so now we have the dates on there. I'll go ahead and get the washi kit. I'm going to go ahead and put the quote box in, each of my flags down. There we go. And then I'll go with I'm going to go ahead and use the 3/4-inch washi towards the top. Sometimes they place it on the bottom where there is actually more room, but we have a lot more activity in the evening time than we do in the morning. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and place this one And I'm going to go ahead and place it right at the 8 o'clock hour, actually. There's going to be a small gap. Then I'll place a 1/4 inch washi to fill that in. So make it so that my day starts at 8 a.m. I'm going to do it on the same side. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the pumpkin washi and I'll go ahead and just fill in that little gap. It does go over the Y on each of those days, but that is okay by me. And then this strip I will have to tear, so I'll show you how easily that is done with, like I said, the Erin Condren ruler. So you just take it like that. All right, now I'll go ahead and put the larger, or the 1/2 inch washi on the very bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and place it all the way to the bottom of the page, not to where the box or the last dotted line is. I'm actually going to go all the way to the bottom. There we go. Actually, that's a little bit over. A little crazy on this one. Okay, there we go. Now on the full box page, I'll use the checkbox, and I always set it up over here. And I'll select a coordinating header box. And in this box, I use the work. And this is where I put everything I need to accomplish for our business here. And on the bottom of that, I put a Facebook, Instagram icon, also with an email one, and I keep track of those items on the side. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do below that is put another header box, and I'm going to put next week. So I start things that I remember that I need to accomplish for next week. I'll stick here on the side. Sometimes I also will do my hydration sticker or whatever on this side too. But for this week, because it's a holiday week and I leave out of town on Friday, I'm not going to worry about too much of the hydration box. I think it's going to be what I need to work on for next week. I think I might put the weekend banner on the bottom of the weekend. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so this week is going to be a little bit different because, like I said, I'm leaving out of town on Friday. So what I think I may do is use a washi strip to go ahead and cover up the dates. Or the times, I should say. And now I feel like I need to lift up my weekend banner. Okay, let's go ahead and outline the outside of it. Because I'm going to be out of town. Come on, for heaven's sakes. It's nice that this sticker paper is a little bit forgiving. Until you press it all the way down there. Okay, now I'm going to use coordinating. I could either use the orange. Actually, I think I'm going to use and cover up the rest of the dates at the time. I keep saying dates. Like that. And again up on top. Okay, do the same. Oops. This one might be actually a little bit harder to tear because there's not much to grab. I should have. I'm going to grab some scissors later and cut that. Okay, and then from here, what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and take a second to write in all of my appointments that I have for the week. So I'll just go back down. And I'm just going to do that quickly, and then I'll be back to show you what that looks like when I finish it. Okay, really quick, I just wanted to show you, I added some more pen for I'm flying to New York City on Friday, so I kind of drew a little airplane and wrote in some things, also sightseeing for Saturday and Sunday and things that I'm going to be seeing. So I just wanted to follow up and show you what I was planning on for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So here it is. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a great week and happy Thanksgiving.